How's it going? Today I'm going to be walking you guys through the build on my bike. Some of the mods I have on it are a little extreme for a daily bike, but you know, send it, right? So getting started, the most important mod of them all is the mask on the front. Helps protect it from corona. I have these Yoshimura frame sliders, but to be honest, they're not really the greatest. One of them snapped when I dropped the bike. Luckily, it didn't have fairings or a tank on it when I dropped it, so it was all good. But if it snaps from a simple fall over, it's not really a good slider. I plan on upgrading to the Woodcraft. For gearing, I have a DID chain and Vortex sprockets front and rear. I'm running down 1, up 2 from stock. Another kind of non-daily friendly thing I have on this bike are these tires. They're the Dunlop Q3 Plus, and I love the grip they have when you're riding hard, but they really just don't last very long. For the exhaust, I have kind of a Frankenstein. The slip-on is a Yoshimura R77. I have an Acropovic stainless steel link pipe. And the header is factory, but with a gutted cat. Holy motherfucker! You can't see it from out here, but it does have a BMC air filter that's a little bit higher flow and also is washable. I've also deleted all the emissions equipment off of the bike. So between that, the exhaust, the gearing, and the Flash Tune ECU tune from Hero Motorsports, this bike does get up and go. The Puge windscreen does really well to throw the air up over your shoulders. You can really tell a difference on the highway and when you're going full tuck. I really dig the look of this taillight. It's really crisp. I'm honestly a fan of everything on the bike aside from the frame sliders, but if y'all have any questions or any recommendations, I did end up getting really familiar with these bikes because I have some buddies who have them, and I'm happy to help you with any recommendations or anything if you're looking for parts and upgrades. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace out.